So today we're going to make some homemade peanut brittle. We're going to need some light Karo syrup, some roasted peanuts, and some sugar. You will need one other ingredient, but you will see in the end. So we're going to go ahead and put our light Karo syrup in a 1 cup measurement. Then you will go ahead and put it in your pot. You want to get everything out of the cup measurement. After you do this, you're going to put your sugar in. We're going to use 1 cup measurement, and we're going to put 3 cups of sugar. There's the first cup. Then the second. Now we have the third. Now you're going to get 1/3 cup and measure some water out. You're going to pour it right on top of the sugar mixture and the Karo syrup. Then we're going to go ahead and turn the fire on and start the process. Get that fire going. Just stir and mix everything together. Start melting the sugar down. And then just leave it on so it can start cooking and start getting thicker. Now that it's boiling, you can go ahead and put your peanuts in. You're going to use a 1 cup measurement again, and you're going to put your first cup, second, and then your third cup. After that, you're just going to want to stir the peanuts in the Karo syrup mixture. Now, if there is some burnt peanuts in there, you want to pick those out because those aren't going to taste very well in your peanut brittle. So we're going to go ahead and get that out. Now, you're going to need a candy thermometer. The candy thermometer is going to help you keep track of how high the temperature is. You're going to need it to go all the way up to 300 degrees for this candy. Now, it will turn a little bit darker, but that's how it's supposed to be. There we are, working our way up to 250 now. Almost there. So now I'm going to get pans ready. You need to get olive oil spray or spray butter, and you need to get 2 nice big pans and spray them with olive oil spray or butter, whatever you prefer. This is just what I had on hand. You spray them real good, and then we're almost ready. See how it's getting a little darker? You're just going to stir it every once in a while, and then just keep watching that thermometer because you don't want it to go past 300 or it's not going to turn out right. Now you're going to get a tablespoon measurement and some baking soda. That is the other ingredient you're going to need. We are now at the 300 mark. So now we're going to get the tablespoon and we're going to get some baking soda. And you're going to put 1 tablespoon of baking soda into the pot with the mixture. And as you're stirring it, you're going to see that it's going to start fluffing up. See how it's rising and it's getting fluffy? That makes it light and airy. That means it's ready. Now we're going to go ahead, stir it a couple more times, and then we're going to go and pour it in the pans. You just want to get an even amount in each pan to where you have space, because you're going to want to shake it around a little bit. That way it can expand a little bit more in the pan. Okay, we've got it all in. It's looking nice and fluffy. So now you want to grab the pan and just start shaking it and spreading it around the pan, and then tapping it on the countertop to get the bubbles out, because there's going to be bubbles in it and you want to get all the bubbles out. So just tap it and slide it around. And then there you go. There's our peanut brittle. Looks delicious. Now we're going to let it cool off. And then now we're going to break it up. The easiest way is to use a spoon. Just flip it over and then just tap it real hard, or not even real hard, and it just breaks right up. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more videos, just like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.